back to Easy English Friends channel. Ben, how are you today?
I'm good, Emma. I talked with my mom this morning, so I feel happy.
Nice. A family call is the best. Speaking of family, let's talk about how to speak about your family in English today.
Oh, perfect. Many students ask me how to say brother, cousin, or uncle in real life.
Exactly. This is a big topic and very useful. You use it at work, at school, at a party, even with your neighbor in the elevator.
True. People love to ask, do you have any brothers or sisters? Haha.
Yes. Let's warm up. I'll model a short answer. I'm Emma. I'm from the UK. I have one sister. My parents live near me. Simple and clear.
Okay, I'll try. I'm Ben. I'm from Australia. I have 2 brothers and 1 cousin. My parents live in Sydney.
Great job. Now, quick tip. Many people say I have 2 brother, but we need plural. 2 brothers.
Right, brothers, and also sisters, cousins, uncles, aunts.
Exactly. Let's share useful family nouns. Mother or mom. Father or dad. Together, parents.
Brother, sister, and together, siblings. That word is helpful.
Yes, siblings means brothers and sisters. Then we have son, daughter, children for more than one child. Not childs, but children.
Good fix. And grandparents, grandmother, grandfather, or grandma, grandpa.
Nice. Also, grandson, granddaughter, and grandchildren.
Don't forget aunt, uncle, and cousin. Cousin is the same for a boy or a girl.
Great. Now, some common questions. Listen and repeat after me. Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
How many brothers do you have?
How many brothers do you have?
Are you married? And do you have any kids?
Are you married? Do you have any kids?
Good. Now, a little rhythm practice. When we ask how many, push the words how and many a bit, then smooth brothers. Like this. How many brothers do you have? Make bro a little stronger.
How many brothers do you have? Oh, that feels natural.
Nice. And the answer pattern. I have, for example, I have 1 sister, or I have 3 cousins.
What if I have 0?
You can say, I don't have any brothers, or I'm an only child.
I'm an only child. Good phrase.
Let's do a mini role play at a party. I'll start.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you. Do you have any family here in the city?
Hi, Emma. Nice to meet you too. Yes, my sister lives nearby. My parents live far away.
Great. Now add a reason. My parents live far away because their jobs are in another town.
My parents live far away because their jobs are in another town. Clear and friendly.
Now pronunciation help. Some learners say sister very slowly. That's okay, but in fast speech, it's smooth. Sister. Say the first part a tiny bit stronger. Sister.
Sister. And brother, not brothers, for one.
Exactly. And grammar check. She has, not she have. Try this. She has 2 sisters.
She has 2 sisters. I sometimes say she have, but now I'll fix it.
Good repair. Another common fix. Married to, not married with. Say, I am married to Alex, or just, I'm married.
Got it. I'm married to Sam, or I'm married. Easy.
Let's build a mini story. I'll give the start. Last Sunday, my family had dinner together.
We cooked pasta. My mom made a big salad.
My dad told a funny story. We laughed a lot.
After dinner, my sister and I washed the dishes because our parents were tired.
Nice. This story shows simple past, but short sentences keep it clear.
I like that. Real life, simple words.
Now questions to learn more about another person's family. Ask me 3.
Okay. Do you have any kids?
No, I don't, but I have a niece and a nephew.
Where do your parents live?
They live by the sea. It's quiet and they love it.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My sister is older than me.
Good. That pattern, older than me, is natural, not more old.
Yes. And the opposite is younger than me. Try the full line.
My brother is younger than me.
Perfect. Now let's switch. You answer, I ask. Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have 5 cousins. We meet every summer.
Wow. What are they like?
They are friendly and noisy.
Big family energy. Where do they live?
3 live in Brisbane and 2 live in Melbourne.
Excellent. If you need to talk about different sides of the family, you can say on my mother's side or on my father's side.
Let me try. I have 2 cousins on my mother's side and 3 on my father's side.
Perfect. Now, tiny practice for everyone. Repeat after me. This is my mother. Your turn.
This is my mother.
These are my parents.
These are my parents.
He is my uncle. And she is my aunt.
He is my uncle. She is my aunt.
Nice. And one more. We are close. This means we have a good relationship.
We are close. I like that phrase.
Let's do a daily life scene at the doctor's office. I'm the nurse. Do you have any family history of allergies?
Yes, my father has a peanut allergy.
Thank you. Do your children have any allergies?
No, my children don't have any allergies.
Good plural agreement. Children don't, not children doesn't.
Noted. Children don't. Okay.
Another scene. A phone call with a teacher. Hello, I'm Emma, Ben's mother.
Hello, Emma. Ben is doing well. He studies hard.
Thank you. Our family moved last month, so he is still adjusting.
No problem. We will support him.
See? Family words appear everywhere.
True. What about describing personality? Like, my sister is kind. My dad is strict.
Great idea. Use be plus an adjective. My brother is funny. My grandma is patient. Add a reason. She listens to everyone.
My uncle is generous because he always shares his tools.
Nice sentence. Now, quick contrast. Many learners say, my family are. In American English, we usually say, my family is big. Try it.
My family is big. But if I want to talk about the people, I can say, the people in my family are funny.
Exactly. Well done.
Can we do some quick questions that people often use?
Sure. I'll say the question, you give a short answer.
Ready.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have 1 brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I don't have any sisters.
Are you close with your parents?
Yes, we talk every week.
Where does your family live?
My family lives in Perth.
Great rhythm. Notice family lives. Third person S. Many people forget the S.
Right. Lives, works, studies.
Now, pronunciation play. Grandmother. It's long, but you can make it soft. Grandmother. Say it smooth, not too slow.
Grandmother. And grandfather.
Good.
For daily talk, many people say grandma and grandpa.
Grandma, grandpa. Easy.
Let's make a mini story about a holiday. I'll start. Every New Year, my family meets at my grandparents' house.
We eat a big meal. My cousins bring desserts.
After dinner, we share news. My aunt asks many questions. Haha.
We take photos because my grandma loves photos.
Then we play a silly game. My grandpa always wins.
Wow, your grandpa must be clever.
He is, and kind. Now, let's talk about marriage words. Husband, wife. You can say, I'm married, or I'm single.
And if you don't want to share, you can say, I prefer not to say, in a nice voice.
Yes, always okay to keep your privacy. One more useful line. I live with. For example, I live with my parents, or I live with my wife and our son.
I live with my sister near the city center.
Great. Add a reason. Because rent is cheaper.
I live with my sister near the city center because rent is cheaper.
Perfect. Now, tiny repair moments. Repeat after me. I have two brothers, not I have two brother.
I have two brothers.
She has one child, not she have one child.
She has one child.
I'm married to Ollie, not I'm married with Ollie.
I'm married to Ollie.
Good. Let's practice asking follow-up questions. When someone says, I have one sister, you can ask, what's her name? Try it.
What's her name? Then, how old is she?
Yes. And what does she do? Means her job. Or what is she like? Means her personality.
What does she do? What is she like? Clear difference.
Now personalize, Ben. Give 3 quick lines about your family.
I have a younger brother. He studies computer science. He is shy, but very funny at home.
Nice. Mix, relation, age order, study, personality. I'll do mine. I have an older sister. She's a nurse. She's brave and patient.
Wow, I like that. Brave and patient.
Here's a helpful toolkit of mini lines you can swap in any chat. I'll say them, you echo. I'm the oldest.
I'm the oldest.
I'm the youngest.
I'm the youngest.
We are 3 in my family.
We are 3 in my family.
We're a big family.
We're a big family.
We meet every weekend.
We meet every weekend.
We live far apart, but we call often.
We live far apart, but we call often.
Beautiful. Quick note for our regular listeners. Last time we practiced simple introductions, so today is a perfect next step.
Yeah, we're building from tell me about yourself to tell me about your family.
Exactly. Now a real-life bus stop chat. I'll be a friendly neighbor. Hi, I see you every morning. Do you live around here?
Hi. Yes, I live on Pine Street with my wife and our daughter.
Oh, nice. How old is your daughter?
She is 6. She loves drawing.
Oh, cute. My niece loves drawing too.
That felt natural.
One more scene, meeting a coworker for the first time. Hi, I'm Emma from marketing. Do you have family in town?
Hi, I'm Ben from sales. My parents live 2 hours away, but my brother lives in town.
Cool. Do you see your family often?
Yes, we have dinner together every Friday.
Perfect small talk. Simple lines, friendly tone.
Can we cover feelings like I miss my family or I'm proud of my sister?
Great idea.
I miss my family is strong and kind. I'm proud of my sister because she just graduated.
I worry about my grandpa sometimes, but he is strong.
That's a caring sentence. And remember, you can keep it light or go deeper. Choose what feels right.
Before we wrap up, can we do a quick lightning round? I ask, you answer fast.
Let's do it.
Do you have any nephews?
Yes, one nephew.
Who cooks in your family?
My dad cooks on weekends.
Where do your grandparents live?
They live in the countryside.
Are you close with your cousins?
Yes, we travel together sometimes.
Nice pace. Short questions, short answers.
Exactly. Learners, try this with a friend for 2 minutes today. It's powerful.
Okay, last micro practice. I'll say a sentence with a tiny mistake, and you fix me.
Deal.
She have 2 daughters.
She has 2 daughters.
I am married with Leo.
I am married to Leo.
I have 3 childs.
I have 3 children.
My family are big.
My family is big.
Thank you, Coach.
Anytime. Before we go, let's do a friendly recap in conversation.
Go ahead.
Use simple nouns like mom, dad, parents, brother, sister, siblings, son, daughter, children, grandparents, aunt, uncle, cousin.
Ask easy questions. Do you have any siblings? How many? Where do they live? What are they like?
Answer with patterns. I have, I don't have, I'm an only child, I'm married, I'm single, I live with, we are close.
Add reasons with because and add feelings like I miss, I'm proud, we're close.
Watch small grammar points. Plurals, has, not have for he and she, married to, and family is.
Keep pronunciation smooth. Push the first part of brother, sister, and keep grandma and grandpa soft and friendly.
Beautiful. Friends, use 2 lines from today in your next chat. For example, I have 1 sister. We talk every weekend.
Or, I live with my parents because rent is cheaper. That one is very real.
Very real indeed. Okay, Ben, thanks for sharing about your family today.
Thank you, Emma. And thank you, everyone, for learning with us.
You can do it. Keep it simple, keep it warm, and use these lines today.
See you next time on Easy English Friends.
Bye for now.
Bye.